Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all. How are you? I hope all of us who are at the Zoom meet will always be given good health. Previously, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Siti Hafizd Nursyahrani Az-Zahra, class 11, majoring in mathematics and natural science from SMAN to PADALARANG. At the Zoom meet this time, I'm the host. Then I leave to our moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon all. Best wish for all of us. Personally, I would like to thank you, the Honorable Miss Eneng, Sri Suharyani, as our instructor who was present at the meet this time. And I also thank the participants through myself. My name is Oktavianika, 11th grade, majoring in mathematics and natural science from SMAN to PADALARANG. Today I have the opportunity to become a moderator. My colleague, Siti Nursyahrani Az-Zahra, 11th grade, majoring in mathematics and natural science from SMAN to PADALARANG, is the host, and our presenter at the Zoom meet this time was Okta, Melati, Hendi, Ardhana, 11th grade, majoring in mathematics and natural science from SMAN to PADALARANG. For the first season, namely the delivery of materials, okay, presenter is...
Okay, thanks to the moderators and hosts who have given me the opportunity to deliver the materials. Allow me to share the screen. Okay. Okay, to the moderator, is it visible?
Yes.
Okay, the material that I will convey at the Zoom meet this time is Life Goes On. Okay, what is Life Goes On? Life goes on in Indonesian means hidup terus berjalan. Whatever happens today, yesterday will surely pass. Life goes on teaches us that whatever happens, everything will continue to run. Even beautiful things or vice versa will pass when the day changes. Especially at this time, our Earth is being attacked by COVID-19. All community activities are stopped. Even schools are currently studying at home. We must believe that all that happens will pass. Life will continue until eventually this life can return to normal. Many of us sometimes regret what we have done. For example, when we are traveling and with someone on the side of the road, we want to help him, but we cannot do anything. There might be feelings of regret in us for not being able to help others. There are others why to help someone apart from providing material and the form of money, food, clothing, namely prayer to Allah and sustenance. Okay? Life is like the ebb and flow of sea weather. We have to be able to live things will keep going. Of course, we also have to be able to live life well so that there are no regrets in us. A way to live life well. Here, I will share tips or ways so that we can live life well. 1. Always think ahead, not backward. There is one pearl word that is sometimes the meaning of happiness can occur because we look at the past and bring it to the future to reflect on your life today. You may, you might look back occasionally as a rear mirror. Sometimes we really need to look back every now and then to be more grateful about what we have got now. A bad past can be a strong motivation to always strive for a better life. You must try to change what happens today, tomorrow, and the next for the better. Next slide. 2. Live life as it is. Feel grateful for whatever we have. It means that whatever our circumstance, we must be grateful. We must be able to live as it is. Don't overdo it. Because if we don't live as it will only bring mystery to our lives. Next, 3. Always do good not only for yourself, but also for others. For example, by helping people in distress or giving compensation to orphanages. It can make us happy, calm, because we can help someone with whatever we have so that our lives are more meaningful. Next slide. 4. Always think positive. Positive thinking is a mental attitude that that make us hope for good, even the best and profitable result. This means the process of creating good thoughts and converting positive energy into reality. In a sense, the power of positive thinking can create happiness, health, and inner and outer peace in facing any situation. Next. 5. Expand to be grateful every day. We must be grateful for what Allah has given us. With gratitude, we can enjoy your days, calm, comfortable, and peaceful. Always get closer to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and have plenty of time to get to know yourself more deeply. And last, 6. Do whatever makes you happy. Pleasing yourself is one of the important things, so that we don't get stressed out by events that have already happened. One of them is by listening to music that can change the atmosphere to be happy and cheerful, healing, watching TV, studying, playing games, going for a walk, doing homework, playing social media, looking for new things. What? Living life there is always ups and downs, but remember one thing that life goes on. There is a song that can describe the meaning of life goes on, especially in this current era, namely Life Goes On from BTS. The lyrics, like Kineko, in the forest, Haruga Doraogetsi, Amuildo, Aptandesi, your life goes on. This lyric fragment gives a message that even in the midst of an uncertain pandemic, with the various problems that exist, I can be sure that everything will be alright. The hard days you go through will be replaced with happy days waiting for you. Everything will pass. Okay? Any question? And thank you.
Okay, thank you to our great presenter for delivering very useful material to all of us. For participants who want to ask questions, please turn on the mic or via chat. Okay, presenter, my presenter, X question permission. Why did you choose these materials?
Okay, thank you for moderator. When you ask me material, the reason why I chose this material is because, especially nowadays, we are being attacked by the COVID-19. This, which causes our activities to stop. In fact, many people who have given up on the current situation think that this pandemic has not even ended. All will end in time. Life goes on. We must be patient with what is happening at this time because everything will definitely pass. Therefore, we must be able to apply life goes on to be sure that we can go through this period. Thank you.
Thank you to our presenter who has answered to the question. For participant who want to ask question, um, uh, okay, because time will soon run out for that. Before closing the Zoom meet, are there any message or conclusion that presenter will convey to the participants?
Okay. We must be very situation. Believe in one thing, that all will pass as the day changes. Life goes on. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to our present last conclusion. Okay, ending the Zoom meet this time. Thank you to Ms. Eneng Suharyani as our instructor who was present, and thanks also the participant who attended this Zoom. I'm Eva. Thank you. Next, I will leave it to our host, Siti Hafizd.
Okay, thanks to the moderator. Before we end today's Zoom, participants are expected to fill in the presence links, which I will share in the chat room. Okay, thanks you to Ms. Eneng Suharyani, who has been present at the Zoom meet today. And thanks to the participants who have come. I hope the material presented is useful. I represent my college and apologize if there is a word error, whether international or not. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Wabarakatuh.